For my base coat, I used DIY paint in Little Black Dress. DIY paint is a clay-based paint that is heavily pigmented with no VOCs.
Can't take my mind off you. I'm so embarrassed watching you.
For my top coat, I used DIY paint, the color Aviary. DIY paint is very thick and usually coats your piece of furniture in 1 to 2 coats. After both layers were dry, I did a wet distress with warm water and a clean rag, making sure that I turned my rag frequently and rinsed it out often. I wanted to highlight the detail on the desk that looked like pinstriping. To do this, I used a colored liquid patina called Golden Ticket by DIY Paint.
Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.
The outside of the drawers were in pretty rough shape. I decided to paint them, top coat them, and add a transfer. I used the Geo Diamond by Redesign with Prima. If I had to do this again, I would say not to use a transfer. It took 2 complete transfers to cover all of the drawers, which is not cost effective. I would use a stencil next time. Be sure to add a second top coat after you have adhered your transfer. If you liked this DIY, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching!